Let's now go to pathology. Let's discuss phlegm part 2. Phlegm is a yin pathogenic factor and it injures yang. Phlegm is a pathological accumulation of fluids which occurs when there is a disruption to lung qi diffusing and descending, heart qi moving and transporting, spleen yang transforming and transporting, kidney yang warming, transforming and excreting, and liver qi free flow. The warming movement, transformation, transportation, transformation, and excretion of fluids depends on yang qi. Thus, when yang is deficient, yin prevails, fluids accumulate and form phlegm. Conversely, as phlegm is an accumulation of yin, it injures yang. Phlegm is sticky and obstructs the qi mechanism. Because phlegm is sticky, it causes symptoms such as sticky phlegm, sticky mouth, the sticky saliva at the corners of the mouth, nausea, vomiting, phlegm in throat, swallowing and spitting, and mucus in stools. Because it is sticky and obstructs the qi mechanism, phlegm is difficult to remove because it becomes chronic and gives rise to the slow pathological changes. Because it obstructs the qi mechanism, very often qi-moving herbs are added to prescriptions that resolve phlegm. Phlegm causes lumps. As phlegm is an accumulation of fluids and it is yin in nature, it may give rise to lumps, swellings, nodules, lumps under skin, lumps in the abdominal cavity or in organs. Lumps deriving from phlegm are generally relatively soft on palpation and usually painless. By contrast, lumps deriving from blood stasis are usually hard on palpation and painful. Many diseases characterized by lumps are due to phlegm. Luoli, scrofula, Yinglu, goiter, Piquai, P. masses, Zhengna, abdominal masses, Tanhe, nodules, and Rupi, breast lumps. Phlegm flows and moves, always changing. Phlegm always moves and flows. Flows qi in its ascending or descending and entering and exiting, and it goes around the body on the exterior and to the internal organs. It is stored in the lungs and it is amassed in the stomach. It obstructs the heart orifices. It harasses the liver and gallbladder, and it settles in the channels. Thank you for your attention.